Morning, everybody. Just filled up the bird baths. Thanks for watching the videos. That bread video, I'm gonna do another version of that. Hopefully it'll come out the way I want it to. But anyway, just wanted to do a quick video. Again, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Oh my gosh, there's a canary. Oh my gosh. Don't fly away. It's a canary or a, what's that other one? The summer Tanager.
See what makes Chevy tick. This car's talented and very dangerous. We're not rolling, are we rolling? This whole time, I'm Chevy Chase, and you're not. You're standing on CNN, and next day on CNN app.
New this morning, a new study by Pew Research finds American teens are embracing artificial intelligence. In fact, nearly a third of those surveyed say they do use AI chatbots daily. But that's also raising critical safety concerns around mental health impacts and the potential exposure to mature content for kids. So let's go